Welcome to Firearms Friday. I'm Dr. Jen, your host. Today we've got a lot going on. First, I'm using my signature Dr. Jen Khaos rifle from Xavier Firearms, which has this TCS barrel. This is important because it reduces muzzle flip. In fact, there is no muzzle flip. That makes target acquisition much easier. You still have the recoil management, but you'll see how quick this can be. So to demonstrate, we're gonna do a very spicy challenge. On the buzzer, you're gonna go to prone and shoot one into each target. Then you're gonna run as fast as you can to the other prone station across the range. You're gonna go prone and shoot one to each of the 5. You're gonna jump up, you're gonna run to this barricade. You'll go to a knee, and you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna shoot one to each of the 5 targets. Then you're gonna do a tactical reload. It's important to understand the distinction between a tactical and emergency reload. Emergency reload, you're just gonna drop that mag, grab another one, put it in and go. Tactical reload, you have a little time, you're behind cover, whatever. You're gonna retain that magazine and put the other one in. All right, so once you do your tactical reload, you're gonna move away from the barricade, go up to the 10, and from standing, you're gonna have to hit the head. It's a pretty small head. You're gonna have to hit within the silhouette of the head all 5 targets. That'll be your time. Oh man. Whew, what's my time?
47.34.
All right, not bad. Someone can beat that though. Let's double check. 2. This is my second run. All right, we're clean.